So look, y'all, this is Jay first time going through a car wash. I'm gonna see how he reacts going through this car wash. We're about to see. About to see how he gonna act. Alright, we up in here now. So we got it in neutral. Or whatever. Finna see how they gonna act. Hey, Bo. Big boy. He might pop this camera. What's going on, boy? You don't like that? Huh? Say you don't like that? Oh, man. Jay, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? Oh, Jay, you see that? Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! It's alright, girl. It's okay, man. You good? You alright? We made it through, man, you know. We made it through. It's all good. You alright? We got it, man. We good. We got it. Jay, you did alright, man. You did alright. I can tell you that. You did pretty good, son. You did pretty good. You did good. You mad? You mad? Yeah, I think he mad, man. But it's all good, though, you know. You did good. You made it through, though, son. You made it through. You back on your iPad? You don't hear nothing else, huh? Say hey to the camera. Jay. I think he mad. But it's all good, though, y'all, you know. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'm out.